Hello, good evening po sa inyong lahat. Ngayong pong gabi, ang tatalakayin ko yung isa sa mga produktong talagang special sa akin sa Forever Living Products. Una itong Forever Aloe Vera Nectar. Then itong Forever Bee Pollen. And itong Forever Bright Tooth Gel. So, una sa lahat, ako nga pala si Manager Anthony S. Jewel of Forever Living Products International. Hindi lamang po ako manager dito sa Pilipinas, kundi sa buong mundo. Once you become a manager here in Forever Living Products, you will become a manager worldwide. Okay, unahin natin ang Forever Aloe Vera Nectar. By the way, I became a member of Forever Living Products way back 2001. I was invited by my church mate, Michael Sotoyadaw, who was a member of the church. We belong in the same church. Told me that I'm going to attend an MLM. I don't know what is MLM before. That it's M&M, the chocolate one. So he was invited me to attend a seminar in Green Hills, and that's the start of my journey for Evergreen Products way back 2001 up to now. And what is my testimony in Forever Living Products? My testimony is about this one. I'm going to tackle about first is Forever Aloe Vera Nectar. Since then, I am an OFW. I started to go on as an OFW way back 1997. Then I just stopped way back 2013, late part of 2013. So on and off, I go abroad, then I go back here in the Philippines, stay for a while, then 5 years, then 6 years, and so on and so forth. And they finally found out that I have a UTI, a urinary tract infection. But definitely, that's not the story. That I finally found out that when I'm taking this one, I finally find out that I already have a stone in my kidney. I urinate once and stuck on my, on my private parts. So I thought I'm going to use a catheter, but definitely with the help of this one, I was able to take out that stone in a natural way. So I wasn't able to go on operation. And that's how the Forever Aloe Vera Nectar works in me. And I love aloe vera nectar. Okay? I love it. You know guys, this